Good morning, everyone. In the previous class, we studied about the expenditure method. That through expenditure method, how we can calculate the national income. Okay. So in today's video, we will see how to calculate national income using income method. Okay. So first, we will see we'll see the background. Okay. So according to this method, the national income is estimated in terms of factor payments during an accounting year. So we sum up all the factor incomes generated in a domestic territory or generated in a country. Okay, so we sum up the factor incomes of from all the sources, and then we find the national income. Okay, so as I said, we directly uh, don't estimate or don't find the national income. Okay, first we have to uh, we will find the other aggregate, then we will convert that aggregate into national income. Okay, so our income method, the short formula is NDPFC. Okay, and this NDPFC is also known as domestic income. So first we find domestic income, then we convert that domestic income into national income. So NDPFC is also means domestic income. Okay, like NNPFC means national income and NDPFC means domestic income. So first we have to find NDPFC. Okay, then we will convert that NDPFC into NNPFC. So what is the formula here? So first is compensation to employees. Okay, first is we will add all the incomes which are earned by the employees. Okay, we will add all the incomes which are earned by the employees. So in what form employees earn their money, earn their salary? Okay, first is wages and salary, means payment they are receiving in cash. Payment they are receiving in cash. Not today, in today's world, it can be cash or it can be in bank account. Okay, so for example, suppose my salary is 40,000. My salary is 40,000. So this 40,000 will not be given to me in the form of cash. Okay, this will be broke down into various other things. Like out of this 30,000 I am getting in my bank account. Okay, now second is payment in kind. Okay, in some kind form I will be getting salary. Like my employer gave me a rent free apartment, he gave me medical facility. Okay, he gave me free electricity, petrol expense. So these all expenditure are counted in payment in kind. So for example, if I'm getting 30,000 in my bank account, so this 5,000 will be given as payment in kind. Okay, so all the expenses, all the rent free apartment, medical facilities for me and my family, petrol expenses, or I must say traveling expense. Okay, so this all are included in the salary. The thing is, it is said to be given as free, but nothing is free in this world. Okay, so out of this 30,000 I will be getting as the salary in my bank account. Payment in kind will be of 5,000 rupees, and 5,000 will be contribution to social security like provident fund, etc., or any government scheme. Okay, so this is employer contribution, not employees contribution. It is mistaken, written here incorrectly. So it is not employees, it is employer's contribution. Okay, the firm, my boss will be contributing on my behalf in any social security scheme or any government scheme. Like, okay, So that will be counted as my salary, okay, which I will be getting after the retirement. So first is compensation to employees. In various forms an employee gets his salary, and these are the other forms, okay. Now second is operating surplus. Second is operating surplus, means when a businessman earns profit. When a businessman earns profit, in what forms he earns profit? First of all, he earns in by the way of dividend, okay. Second, see, there's a little bit explanation here, detail here, okay. Let me clear it, then I will explain you. This operating surplus is divided into two parts. First, income from property and income from entrepreneurship. This operating surplus is divided into two parts: income from property and income from entrepreneurship. So how a person earns his income from property? How a person earns his income through property, okay, by getting rent. Property doesn't mean that only physical property, okay. If he is getting any cash, he is giving a loan, that also will be called property, okay. So he earns through three ways. First, by getting rent, okay, by getting rent, interest and royalty. So in these three form, a person is getting his money earned under the category of income from property, okay. Now another part of this operating surplus is income from entrepreneurship, means a person is a businessman. So for a businessman, his income is profit, okay. For a businessman, his income is profit. Now this profit is divided into three parts, okay, which I mentioned here. This profit is divided into three parts: dividend, corporate tax and retained earnings. This profit is divided into three parts: dividend, corporate tax and retained earnings. So these two, income from entrepreneurship and income from property, we add these two and we will get our operating surplus, means the money income earned through businesses or through property, okay. Now the next part, very simple part, is mixed income, okay. Here we learn about the businessmen, okay, the big owners of a firm. Here we learn about the employees. Now there are few self-employed people, the shopkeepers and all, hawkers, okay, ready wala. So those income will be counted in the category of mixed income or self-employed, okay. So by adding these three, we will get NDPFC, and through NDPFC we will convert NDPFC into national income, which is called NNPFC. And how we will convert? We have seen this earlier. We will add NFI, net factor income from abroad. So NDPFC means domestic income, means all the people who are living in India and they are earning money. People who are living in India, inside India, and they are earning money, those income will be counted, okay. And plus NFIA means the Indians who are living abroad, their income will also be added. Then we will get our national income. So NDPFC means domestic income, and to convert domestic income into national income, we have to add NFIA, net factor income from abroad, okay. So this through this method we can calculate the national income through income method, okay. Now we will see few questions, okay, and you can practice those questions. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. So these are the few questions, 3-4 questions. which are based on income method. Okay, you can practice from here, and the answers are also given here. So you can see here